Okay. Alright, guys, I am live both YouTube and Twitch. I hope that today's all alright because the last stream I do, I was having I was muted for like 30 minutes because I forgotten to select the right microphone, and OBS was using I don't know what microphone, maybe from like headphone or I don't know, but it was the bad microphone. Today, I hope that this is the right one, my microphone, and is all fine. And today we are I will continuing to develop my OS that I called it COS, Core Operating System, because I don't know, like Linux, the creator of Linux is called Linus, and I think that, okay, I can create my OS and call it with my YouTube name, Twitch YouTube name, because it's not a simple thing to do an OS operating system, and it's cool. I think the name COS is not bad. Um, Today I want to implement the keyboard, and I will start working. I made something. I uh, uh, fixed some bug, make some stuff off camera, and also started. I have started doing a bit the keyboard, and because this is really bad, I want to redo all of this stuff in a better way, and yeah, I will like not eliminate all this part because I don't want to have problem with compilation that I try to compile it, and I found out that there is like some file that you um, were using this part of the code, this old part, and then I don't want to redo all of this stuff, and for that reason, for now we left it all of that like I don't know. We left it and started doing up here. I started doing this stuff. In the keyboard I have this typedef, this enum of key code that is pretty good. And for I tested it, is work now. I want to implement first a better way to do this stuff. I want for the first thing to take the code the scan code of the keyboard, and get if it is the value that I wanted, and make also a like um, um, like write mode, like I can be turn on like write mode like Vim, that I press I and I start to write, and I press ESC, I stop writing. Also, okay, we start doing some stuff up here. I need to use like always this. Maybe we'll change name like this. I will not delete it. I will not delete it, but I will only call it like that. And up here I will redo it. Void keyboard call back like this. I need to get the scan code, this stuff. Okay, And okay, this I will only set like int for now after this release. Okay. Okay, this is like a break when you left the you like you left pressing the key, and the scan code is equal to hexadecimal 88, and I want like what I was doing it. Okay, this all garbage, this stuff. I will not use it. Is release and key state. Okay, the key state is this is the key that is equal to the scan code. Okay, why I do like that? Pretty useful. Useless one. Okay, this is shift key. Key state. Okay. I need an maybe for now we'll only like print on the serial, like a serial log, the debug log, because also I made this working. Now I can print stuff on it. I can where is it? It's debugs.c. In here I can make serial print that I will print on it, and I also started doing a serial log, but for this I will need like some other stuff, and for now I don't need it. I want to make like serial log to track like the time to see when I printed for a more specific log, but for now I don't need it. I only started doing, and after I will make it better when I need it. For now I don't need. For me it's enough to have serial print, and okay, I will like let's see, like up here what I was doing. Okay, scan code map, scan code. Okay, like that, and I can do the same thing, like if scan code map, scan code is equal to like t8, like print something like serial print, like is set like that, and I will try to build it. Why? I need to update also here. Void. Okay. Now it should work. Okay, it's compiling. Okay, let's try. We press some time the key A. Let's see. Okay, it's working. Now I want to make like a map for like printing stuff. Like first I want to have like to have a write mode and like a write mode like Vim style. And for that I will make like int write equal 1 equal 0. when you press key I, we activate write, you put here write mode, enter write mode, and here we write write equal 1. Okay, I cannot that I can use like switch here, but for now we'll do it like that. Encode like this, equal e ask why I put this stuff. Okay, I don't need it. Write equals 0. I cannot. I'm pretty bad at naming stuff, but I am like good at coding. Like naming is the last thing that I want. Like I need assisted write mode. Okay, let's see if it work. Thank you for the follow. I didn't see your name. Sorry. Astian, thank you for the follow, Astian. I'm continuing. I continue to make my operating system, and why it failed? I don't. I need scan code map, not scan code. I continue to make my OS, my operating system, and now I'm redoing the keyboard, because the driver for the keyboard, because like this for say all e minus 10 8 millions. It was only for testing some stuff. It wasn't like definitive. Like it's pretty bad. I cannot. Also, I also implementing off camera a timer for making like sleep, awake, all of that. I need a timer working. Okay, it's working. I also think that there is a bug, because if I can press like enter the write mode, I can press another time I will print another time enter write mode. This need to be like I need to. This is only if I'm not in write mode. And I will redo all of this in a better way in a switch scan code map, scan code. Okay, like this. Case 1 is E, and here I will put like if right. Yes, I'm making complicated thing. I am a cute anime. Like, it's strange, but I started doing an operating system for fun. I was like, I want to do something hard, and I like backend, because I started to learn like low-level programming and assembly, all of stuff thing, and I was like, in what case I should use like assembly, low-level program? Ah yes, operating system. I do operating system. Easy, right? It's not easy, but I like making. I started liking like a lot low-level programming. Like some month ago, I was like in a lot. I was in like a lot in front-end programming. I was like learning HTML, CSS, PHP, all of that stuff, JavaScript. But right now I am like the opposite. I'm making like level 0 programming. I don't have like basic C library like std input output. I don't have that one. Like I made my own printf. Like here there is printf that I still working on it for making like I make like this character, but I want also percentage character like percentage d, all of that. I will make it another time. Okay, if it's not in write mode, you will enter write mode equal c equal 1, and I will print something on the serial print. That is the debug log. I put here. I will put entered write mode. Okay. I will put another case key ask if write mode not that thing write equal 0, serial print will print something like exceeded write mode. Okay, and if write, I will print on the keyboard on the screen. Okay, and for only testing, I'll printing something on the VGA on the screen. I will print like something like that build. This is for debugging. The best way to debug is printing random stuff on the screen. Okay. It's not crashed. This let's see. I enter write mode and press something. It not work. Why? Let's hit write mode. Let's see into the backlog what is shade. Okay, I enter write mode. I exited. Okay. I want to see if write mode. Okay. Because no, write is out of the function. If write print in write mode, else I'm not in write mode. Serial print, the same thing, but not in write mode. Okay, let's see what is the bug like. No. Okay, it's starting Hume, the emulator that I use for like running the system, operating system. Okay, if I press I should enter write mode. Now I should press like random key. I can press ask for exit write mode, and I can press after like random key. Let's see the bug. Okay. Enter write mode, exited write mode. Not in write mode, enter write mode, exited write mode. Okay, there is some problem. But I enter and exited. Like, I press I am not in write mode. Write is equal 1, I print something, okay. Maybe I should put like this. I don't know if change something if I put it here or here for the first of the last. Okay. And because there isn't a break. Maybe the bug was that. I need to put the break. Okay. Let's see if now should work. Let's see. Okay, it's compiled. After I will like finish doing the keyboard and also made like finished doing like input output library. Like I want to make the scanf function, printf function, and also the like making multiple arg function. I will start doing like a console, like not like a shell type, and I want not to make a programming language, but make like a bash, like for my operating system. Okay, let's see. Enter write mode. I press some key in write mode. Okay, I exited write mode. I not in write mode. I press I for error, and I am in write mode. Okay. Now, with the break, I forgotten to put the break of the case. It was that error. Okay, now it should work. I should be able to put like printf. I will print like some random stuff like this build. Want to see also if I printed a lot of stuff and what happened after I am like more than 80 column. Okay. Let's see, I enter write mode, I press some random stuff on the screen. Okay, there is also the problem that I am counting both down and up key, and I want only up down key. A functional program now. Okay. uh, I want to count only down key, and this release is this. I will make like if is not release, and put all of that thing in this if, and I will format everything. Okay, reboot. I will rebuild it. You're patting me. Yes, I forgotten to. There is. Thank you, sorry. I wasn't. I forgotten to also read YouTube chat. I was only reading Twitch. Sorry. I'm not making a Linux kernel. Like I'm using like a reference the first version of the Linux kernel made by Towards. I found like the open source file on the internet on GitHub, and I downloaded it and I use it for like learning some stuff. And also, one of my inspiration was like towards that made like the kernel of Linux like he was pretty young, and I want to make like a working kernel, maybe not like Linux. Like right now, Linux is pretty complicated for me, for like a only person, but I want to make like a simple stuff. I think I will not handle file for now. Like first, I want to make. First, to try to handle file that is pretty difficult to make a right file handling system. I want to handle the memory. I want to like having optimized kernel in for the RAM, and also that don't way out like for 20 million cycle. Okay, now I'm counting only down key. Okay, I can exit write mode. Okay, I didn't print nothing. Why? I don't know. I remove this, I don't need it. I cannot that is working. Okay. I want to make that I can print something. I will create like another enum, like uh, like thing, like static key code, this thing, scan code map. Okay, 120. I want to see if I can make it. No, non scan code map, ma char, because it will be char. Like e a equal uh like this. I want to see if I can make it like this. Char map key. I want to do also another thing for much simple code. I want to make like key is equal count code is equal to this thing. Okay, and count code key, and here we put key. Course here we put key, and I will put this in a function printf. Okay, should work. I hope so. What is the error? Let's see. I didn't put this semicolon. Why it's not working? Char map. Also this. Okay. Equal. I forgotten the equal sign. Now it should work. No, it didn't work. Because it's not are okay. and this should be in square bracket like this. Okay, let's see if now it should work. Okay, it's compiled. I don't know why, maybe because, yes, maybe the model YouTube Studio using a lot of CPU and it's taking a lot of time to compile. Okay, I can print some stuff, but I wanted to print the key A. And I don't know why, but it's not working. Also, I'll take all of these and no, I don't want to create that now. Because, like, I want to see if I pressing the right key. I think yes, like scan code D key, scan code map, scan code. Here I am putting the key of the char map. Okay, let's see where is the bug because it's not working right. Also, maybe I will put only one for now for retesting. Maybe was that error because now I don't want to make like 128 character. I will make it later. I want only to test if it should work like that. Okay, there is some problem. The key equal to the scan code. Okay, this is right. If right, in the char map. Let's see, maybe in the meantime we'll do all of 28 because I don't know why. Is okay, like I need to do it. I will do it like now. Hi, how are you? Hi, Karma. I'm making the keyboard driver and try to see why it's not printing the right character on the screen. Okay. Okay, like this. It will take a lot of time to make it right. You were doing workout. I'm not like in. I'm not a guy that I don't do like a lot of work. I don't do workout. But I can know how to code. Okay. I don't know why, but it wasn't working. And while I think about it, I'm making this because like I need to make this and like I will do it right now. Do like only the printable key. The other one will do like we do only this is the F key. For the other one I will put like 0, like you will not be able to print that. Like you will not be able to print F this key, or I think so. Also I don't know why, but it's not working. Like, let's see if I do like a thing like if equal key a printf will print like a is a like this. Let's see. I think also no, this is not giving problem. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Enter print mode. I'm pressing is a. Okay. The problem is not white. This maybe I should pass in here the scan code and not the key the uh, the key code. I don't know. I will try doing it like this, and here I put like A, B, C, D. I will do all of these, maybe only these. Okay. Let's see if here I will put scan code. We'll delete this part. Let's see if now work. I think it should work. Like, I don't know. Let's try. Okay. I need to enter right mode, and no, it's not working. Why? Like, I'm pressing A, but I don't know why it's not printing that. Why you are not working? Let's see if it is the right one. If char map and code equal a serial, I will print on the log. Wait, serial print. Okay. It is a one. And if code equal is decimal 1e serial print it is a 2. Let's see if now it should work, because I don't know why it's not giving me this character. Like it should be this. Like I don't think when I press the character, the key A, the scan code is not equal to this. But you never know. Like I will test it. Let's see the debug log. It is a. It is a. Okay. The problem is white. Wait, printf. Let's see. Printf is near. Why you're not working? Because okay, because you want a pointer, and okay, because I need to make it like a string, but I have a better thing to. No, I can make it a string. Maybe this should fit everything. Let's see. I don't think I have a. There is a problem with doing it like this. This will be char of pointer. I don't know if I should do it like this because a char of pointer. I don't know if this will be a problem on the memory. I hope no, because if this is a problem, maybe I can use like malloc. But this static maybe it should not be a problem. I will see it. Okay. I don't know why. Because I'm using this function that I make it, and like this set a pointer as like a string. And for size t, okay, the character is equal to the string 3, okay, switch, okay, all of these. I don't know. Maybe later I will do a better version of this printf that also if you put only like a char is work. But for now I will let it like this. I don't think there is a problem of doing it like that. Okay. Print f char map e. I know I'm pretty bad at naming thing. I should name thing in a better way. And also I need to one day to fix all of this include and make it only in separate folder, create the folder, but I need also to change the file because I need to like see, tell where are the include header. And I don't want to do it right now. I am lazy, too lazy. Okay, it's not working. It was not that problem. My printf take a sharp pointer and I don't like. Also now it's not working. Like want to test a thing. If I put here a because I can know when I press the E key, it's giving me this, not like a S or other thing. I want to test if there is a problem. Right, I cannot. This is all to fix, but I don't have time right now. If there is a problem, why keys of is a problem? Why printf? Yes, it should be a pointer char. I don't know. I don't know why it's not printing a. Like, let's try right now. Yes, it's printing this stuff, and I don't know why. Maybe because let's see if like this is it will work with double. I don't know. It's called double virgulate. Like yes, I will try to change it. I changed it. Let's see if now will work. I hope so. Let's enter write mode. Okay, now it is working, but also this was like that. Maybe I don't know if static is a problem. I don't think like this will never change, and I put like static, and I don't know if like putting stuff like this because will create problem. Yeah, it's working. Okay, I need that also like this and like this. Let's see, only five character, and all of this is a comment like this. I will put is not right here but right here. Okay, let's see if now it will work. Char map key. Okay, where is the error? Erroring is the seed bound. Why? Because it need to be 28. Okay, I am an idiot. No, I think that 28 was the number of things in Terreno. It was the number of these. Okay. In what language I'm making? Yes, I smart. I'm making the operating system in C, and also assembling, because like some stuff like interrupt the bootloader switching to 64-bit long mode is in assembly, but all of other things are like in C. And if you want, you can find this project on my GitHub. You can download it. You can see what I did. I need to update. Maybe at the end of the stream, I will update. I will make a git push if I will able to make it like the keyboard finished. Okay, I don't know why. The scan code should be right. I started this project 2 weeks ago, I think. I started making this project, write a tutorial on YouTube that I used it for making the like this and this part in assembly, like the most difficult part, and like the tutorial that I found on YouTube finished like doing a print string function, and I was thinking like, okay, I was thinking like the tutorial will be much longer, but I will end here. Cool. I make a simple S, and I think yes, but I want to do more, and I made like a basic console. I made by myself a console. Where is it? I can't find it. Where are you? Console, shell. Okay, yeah. I made like this. Yes, I made it. I made it using like tutorial, and for that reason, my my project is thank you. My project is like a collage of things, and I'm working with my dad because my dad is a programmer, you see, in a backend, is a backend programmer, you see, and working to a team to clean the code, because also I am like smart, thank you, but I didn't realized that I was following a 32-bit guide on how to make a programmable interval timer, and for that reason I make like all the kernel crash, because like I was asking the CPU instruction for 32-bit mod, protected mod, when I was in 64-bit long mod. For that reason, with my dad, I started doing reworking all of the interrupt for making it a little better. Also, for this was the first keyboard driver that I did, like the first version, like a 4/8000 cycle. I made it like I want to test if I can do this, the most important thing. I don't know why, but I think that I need to be able to press a key and spam it. Like that spamming key was a feature that I needed, and for that reason I spent a lot of time doing like this, searching how to make it, and I did it. Okay, the programmable interval timer, I can't, I'm not able to make it work, and for that reason I will be making like a huge loop, because I love bad optimization. Just kidding. This operating system, I want like the final version, if I will be able to do finish this project. I want to have not like the new Windows 11. I don't want to replicate Windows or Linux. This project is for me, for learning, for having fun, streaming it, and for that reason I also want to make it optimized, because I like optimized stuff. Because first, I have a very old computer. I have an old laptop. Is 13 years old, my laptop, and I use it with Arch Linux, and for that reason I can know when a software is not optimized, because on my laptop not optimized software, I noticed it like my laptop crash, and for that reason I switched also to Arch, because like I was waiting to see my all my CPU, all my RAM be used by Windows. Like on this PC, I use Windows for sure 3 reasons. First, I have an NVIDIA graphic card, and yes, on my laptop I started like a week ago. I installed Arch. I don't know why, but I I I I make like a crab explode. Like I wasn't having grab. The operating system was not running. My PC was like a brick of plastic, useless, and I spent like with my dad like one day fixing grab, and now I am in the meantime between school project, being live, studying for the operating system. I'm also configuring Arch on my laptop. Yesterday I spent like 2 hours trying to connect to Wi-Fi. I don't know why my laptop was saying nope. Wi-Fi. I don't like Wi-Fi. I will not be. I want. I don't want to connect to Wi-Fi. I spent like 2-3 hours or some guide on the internet to find why my laptop don't like Wi-Fi. And after like 2 hours, I was able to connect to Wi-Fi. uh, but I can say one thing about Arch Linux is very, very, very good optimized. Like in Idle, I use like Arch Linux use like the 300 megabyte of RAM. Windows 10 was using in Idle like 2 gigabyte of RAM, and on my laptop I have only 4 gigabyte of RAM. Maybe I can upgrade it. Maybe I can take it that like I can upgrade it to 8 gigabyte of RAM. But for now, like on that laptop, you uh, yes. Now I will become a fanboy using Arch Linux with my blue eye and a lot of coffee, and I will like in the meantime I will like reveal military secret for posting it on a War Thunder community, and yes, big edition. Yes. Yeah, it's pretty optimized, and like on my laptop, it's pretty good using large Arch, because on my laptop usually I do like 2 or 3 things. I code, I use my best PC because I use a software called Parsec that by that I am able to connect to use a PC in streaming. And on my laptop, I was drawing on Studio Paint X on Windows 10, but there isn't like support for like drawing a lot on Linux, because like my graphic tablet isn't a driver for my graphic tablet, and I don't want to to troubleshoot, like make my graphic tablet work, because like I am having problem fixing my graphic card, and um, I will be using only the graphic tablet on my best PC, also because like yes, I was drawing on my laptop like Studio Paint, but it was like crashing all of the time. It was like a lot of flagging. I wasn't able to use like stabilization, because stabilization, if I was using like stabilization, I will like have a lot of delay between the pen and the pen on Studio Paint, like the straw. Uh, okay. Okay, now I need to troubleshoot why you're not working. I'm passing the right key. There is one. You should maybe we'll try doing a thing like, don't know if I can do it like this, but I will try. Maybe to see if I don't get the key because it's like the release of the key. Maybe I will try also to don't use printf, but use VGA and use VGA print char, because I think to see if the problem it is white. It is white printf. Okay, now it's working. Why you're working now? You need to tell me something. Okay, some key is working, some other key are not working, and D is working. D is not working. I don't know why it's working. This is, I know it's a normal thing in programming, that you don't know why it's working and you don't know why it's not working. Should be all right. We'll try to use like VGA and not printf. Maybe that will solve everything. With that, okay. Let's see if now it should work. We format, okay. I need to include the VGA header. Include VGA, okay. I will directly print on the screen VGA right char map, and here we'll put scan code. Okay, let's see if now it will work. Okay, compiled successfully. Need to enter write mode. Okay. Okay, write VShape write mode. It working. I don't know why it wasn't working with printf. I will like off stream. I will troubleshoot it. Okay, now I will do all of this key, like not printable key. I will do only like 0. I think 0 will work, and for printable key I will make it like that. E is G, no, T was F, H, I, J, okay. If before like 10 p.m. I will be able to finish like the keyboard driver. We'll also start doing some string function, string library, because I need it. I need it for like making the console, because after I finished also like doing the interrupt and cleaning some code, we'll start doing like a basic console, like Linux style, because I don't think this operating system will be having like a graphic, like OpenCL. Will be only like terminal based, like maybe in the future if I want, and if I see that there is the need, but for now will be like all the operating system style. Okay, it should work like this. For this it will be like but white V8 enter will put it. But VG8 I can't print like /n. Where is it? Driver, video, VGA. Okay. Because I don't think it will be accepted, but I can try to fix it. Because you want a arrow pointer, and yes, maybe I need to see how if the string is only a character long, I will skip all of these and print only the character, but for now I will leave it like that. Wrong file, okay. Okay, let's see if now I am able to release the error. I forgotten, okay, here's a comma. Okay. This compiles successfully, and I will see if I can print like random stuff on the screen. We'll enter write mode. Okay, bug that when I enter write mode, if write the key that I pressed and I want that. But yes, I can like press thing and write on the screen. Okay, so all fine. Okay, there is also a problem like that are not working because I need to fix them. But it's working and it's fine for now. Printing some random stuff. Yes, I need to do all of after key, but for now this is fine. I will do only the space is okay, and I will put like return. Because I need to exit. Let's see, because I don't want to write like E when I press E for entering write mode. Okay. And okay, now it's not printing key when I enter write mode. Okay, this is done. It's way better than this the old keyboard callback. Like, what is this shit? This is shit. Okay. And for now, I want to do like be able to call the keyboard and see if is equal. I want to see if like a key is equal to another, or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I can return like key, but like this keyboard callback is called in this interrupt. Here, where is it? Don't know. Ah yes, I'm calling it here, keyboard callback, and don't know how to do like if I want like in printf call the keyboard and say I want to see if the key pressed is equal to another. Maybe I will do only like a switch here and see if the key here are equal. Or maybe I can do like a signal, like I was like see the his version of the kernel of Linux, also some other kernel, and I see that is pretty used like signal, like drawing signal and listening for that signal, and I can use also that, but for now I will only use like that, like a switch. I will put here key that I want to use, and okay. what I press? I want to make that this printf should work. Like how can I get the dimension of str? I don't think I can get it. I can implement them now. Maybe I can fix it implementing multi-functional, multi-length function like this, and here include std arc. It was pretty easy to do this header. It was only like some why you're opening that for Microsoft? I have mine. Where is it? Is what I made. It was pretty easy. Like this kernel stuff. Not kernel stuff, is compiler stuff. And okay. I want to implement like multi-arc, like this like percentage d, and put like some stuff here. And okay, let's see, case, make some other case, percentage, and here we put the break at the end. Okay, like this, and the character is second the character is equal to, like, you use the same one but the +1, or like no like this +1, because double plus plus it will mean like this variable will be more, will be like I will change the value of this, and I don't want, I want only, don't want to change it. And character like this, okay, and here I'll put another switch. The condition is the character, okay, case like percentage. I will print the percentage sign, VGA right, I will print the character, this one, and break. The second case that I want to implement to see if it working is C, or like char, and we I also need use the SDR, the start, that is GA start is str, and I don't know because I never used multi-line function. I want to see it here it is using Microsoft stuff of the compiler. For arg maybe I don't know how to use multi-line function. The problem. For now, I will not use multi-line function. I will only use like no, you need it. Expected expression. Don't know what. VA arg. And here I will put another one like maybe here I need to put like str, like I don't know how to use it. For now I will not use it because I don't know how to use it. I will put here but like charchi and VGA. I need to see if it is working. VGA write the break. Okay. Now I think it should work. I will test in the main. Down here. Printf. Like a string is percentage c is char like that, and here I will put a, and this I also want to test if I can put like thing like that for percentage field. Let's see if it works. Too many arguments. Also I need to change the header of print. Here I will put char g, later make it like a multiple argument function. Okay, I compiled it. Let's see if it's work. I will be like one will be a and the other one will be percentage. Okay. Is C is a char. No, it's not working. Print. What I put it? I don't know. I put it A, and you should. Yes. Okay, I know what happened. Like you are saying that is the character, like percentage, switching character, and let's see if we can change like second character. What type? Type with different name. Okay. Should be a char. Okay. Oh yes, thank you. Okay, let's see now. And by the way, you can know how to do like multiple argument. Uh, yes, it's not safe, but uh, like I tested it like this, like double percentage, it will print only one, percentage C, it will print like the character. Also, I cannot that, okay, now it didn't print the char, but it didn't print also the C character, and it printed the percentage, okay, and later I will also make it like a multiple argument, like right now is I forced it to be like use uh, like two argument because I don't know how to use like multiple argument, and for now I will only like use it like that. Okay, like I see the character um, uh, type. This should be right. I should write this. Uh, yes, there is, but I don't know how to use it because I made it like I tried to make this. Also, I used like I searched on internet how to implement it, but I didn't understand how to use it. That is a problem. And for now, I will just use it like that. And no, no, why? Like it should work. I think if this char and I writing I am writing his character. Uh, not this printf. It should work, but why are not working? Maybe putting double virgulette. I don't think it should be the case. Let's see. Completed successfully. Okay. This is a exact char percentage. Okay. Now, no, it's not worked because like it's they what the percentage. Let's see if I change it to be with the same because no, not the right the percentage is the what the accent like I don't know it's called. I think it's used in German. I don't know. In Italian, we don't have that type of character. Yes, it's not one. Why are you giving me a character? I think it should be right like this. Print char, okay, char c. I want to see print. Okay, should be right. This is serial. There isn't the bug. Header include the bug. Yes. Okay, let's see if now what is like C for him. Let's run it. Okay. Want to set the log S Y area print comments char because you want a char, maybe also it is the problem, also you and I don't think I can call only for fun. I want to see if I can call printf inside printf. I cannot, maybe you can do it, but I am just curious what will happen. I think the compiler will say, nope, I don't think you can do like a thing like that, but I am just curious about doing it. Yes, I can. Maybe I I don't. No, it's compiled. It is like a lot of warning, but it compiled. Okay. Like I don't think calling. Yes, like it don't work. But maybe also I need to make it like this. Maybe maybe should work. Maybe it will work. I don't know. Maybe I fixed the problem calling a function inside the same function. Let's see. No, it's not working. Crash. But it was fun. It is. Yes, doing random thing it will work. This thing should I can use this thing for rebooting the system. You call this function. You call a function inside a function. You make the system crash. And you rebooted it, and like you obtained what you want. You want that the system will end running and will restart running. But I don't think this is the right way to do a reboot. But it was fun. Okay, don't. You can call a function inside the same function. Okay. Let's see. What we can do? Like PGA right want a char, and this is right, and I want to see if for him it is she, the character. Here print, I will print some random stuff, not like it is. Some random stuff on the log for saying. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's see. Log, where is it? Okay, this is called, and for that reason is C, is this thing. Uh, yeah, yes, I trying to like a printing like right now, but only for like testing. Later I will make it like a multiple arc you can do like this, you can put a thing, you can put other thing inside it, but for now you will be only able to print like make like this, but is only for testing. Later I will fix it. Okay. And what I can do, because VG8 right should work. Let's see. Yes, VGA right should work, but I don't know why you're not working. Like, if I put this, the character A should work. No, not commit, this. By the way, Muskla Tap, I don't know how to read your name. Sorry. Is a char percentage? Okay. And this is right. But if I put here C, it don't work. I don't know where the fuck is the problem. It's like it is a char. That function want a char. And don't know what is wrong. I want to see if C is equal to the char A. If C equal A, will print something on the serial on the log. Let's see. And yes, you can debug the code, but right now I'm using a debug log. Like, okay, C is not equal to this character. Why? I'm telling you here that I want that. Oh yeah, I don't know what is the problem. Like at debug, there is various way you can debug an operating system. Like right now, I'm using QEMU. Like right now, like I have the monitor activated. Like when QEMU is running, I can like giving him a command like what disk I want to use, how much of the RAM, like a virtual machine. Because QEMU is like a virtual machine. But a keyboard like putting like a breakpoint like this, you can do it, but you can program your debug file. Like I am making mine. This is what I have. Like also I'm making some string library. Like in this part I can like convert a value, a int in a string, and I can like see print on the log the value of a int using this, but not I don't know, but for like in my project I can't use the debug like a normal debugger, like putting breakpoint or like that stuff. But I know that there is a better way to debug operating system. Also on the OS Dev Wiki is a very well done wiki. There is a part where it is explained how you can debug the code using QEMU, and for now I only made like a log. I have a log, I can print stuff on this test file and nothing else. Okay. Yes, I think so, but I don't know how to do it, and also maybe later I will see how to do it. Okay. There is a problem that see it isn't uh car. Maybe I don't know. I don't need it. That include file. Okay. Uh Maybe yes, maybe it's that the problem. Because I put this character A, and here I tell that is a char, and I ask him, like, she is that character, is this character, and if it is, you will print something on the screen like random stuff. I put it only for testing, and but it's not working, and I don't know where is the problem. And I don't know. Uh, uh, for now, uh, like maybe for now I will only will stop doing it because like is today was like the register used by C to start the character might be overwritten by vision reliable tab or vision. Maybe yes, it is a problem with that. If it is a problem with that, I need to like more time, and also maybe it's not the right thing to do after I did like today I have a test of Latin literature at school, and a biology genetic like my English biology test, and I'm pretty like I'm a little tired, and I don't think I want to test if all the like is there is a problem with assembly or other stuff. But now I will stop doing it. Like I made something, and not stop the live, stop being like doing this function. I will start doing like uh, the scanf, because I need uh, void scan f. Because I need also team function. This function, because like scanner, and need also to implement into VGA read, because there isn't. Like for reading, I think I need to. Where is the buffer here? Is this? I need to take a character from the buffer, from a position in this buffer, and put it on a variable like VGA read return char. I need int call int row, and I will return return buffer. I do it. Call plus number of column row. Okay, like this. And because I'm returning as okay, I know what is the problem. That buffer is like a char, and I need to return not all the structure but only the character type. Okay, like this. This should work, and add it in the VGA header file. VGA is here. Is type return a char. You want int call int row, and here I will call VGA read, and like I will assign like char, like to char, and the first one will be char 0, or char 1. No, like this, okay. The first column 0 0, only for testing. After I will do it a little better. The last one will be the end one. /0, and I will return not char but like C. No, C, okay, and I will try printing it, and because I'm not using this one, I can remove it and later do a better thing. Where is it? Print the C, print .h. I am blind. No, find it. Okay. I don't think it should be a error. Okay, I can put here G, or maybe I will just will call. I don't think it should be a problem calling it right like this. Okay, main print. I will put something for testing. Print. I will print like the character F. I need to add to print -h also the scan F function. Okay, and here we call it scanf, and let's see what happened. Okay, I didn't define it. Okay, now it should be all right. S Y. I don't know. Let's see if I try to print it into the backlog. Serial print. See. Let's see what happened. If I will be able to see if I can get the character. Okay, why are... Thank you. I is a free model if you want to use it. In my info page. See, yes, on my info page on Twitch there is the credit for the model. I don't think there is the link for obtaining the model. I think I didn't put it because I don't know if like it was the like official site for obtaining the model, but like there was writing this is a free model, you can use it for free. Okay. But you need to put the credit. Put the credit. You are also a VTuber. I will say later. I will check out your channel. No, I didn't print nothing in into the backlog. Yes, I started with a free model because first I know that like doing a model require a lot of time, and the price is like is a right price, and also I don't want to be like the guy that don't want to pay artist because I like to draw drawings sometime, and I don't think it's right to okay. Yes, Iconoviroid, and uh, uh, for that reason, because I didn't have the money to spend on a VTuber model, I searched one free, and I using like a gear style model because there is also boy free model like model free that are boy, but I didn't like them because like he was like all like muscular type, and like it wasn't my style. I prefer this one. Also, this is not a lot like very like woman style. I don't know how to say it in English. Like it's more like a neutral style, and uh, Viroid, I used it for a game because I was trying to use Blender, and I wanted to have like a basic model for uh, making a 3D model of a protagonist of a game that I was trying to make on a real, and I used the Viroid, but I stopped doing that game for different reasons. One of them is that I wasn't knowing how to use properly a real. And for that reason, I was trying to do a very difficult game, a 3D open world game in in a pretty realistic style, like not like realistic, but like uh, anime style, like not very low poly. And for that reason, like only making one model was taking me like week, and I stopped. It was too much for me, and also I made the mistake to try to developing first the story of the game and later try to adapt that story to a fun gameplay, and that is a very, very big error. It's not the right thing to do. It's better to find a good mechanic, a thing that will make like the gameplay good, and later try to after you did like developed that mechanic, that your game is playable, try to make like a story, expand it, but first you need to make like not like a the mega three up style game, three like like a big studio game. I am a solo dev. I can't make a very big game, and that was my error. And for that reason, I stopped doing it. I did like nothing. The only thing that I do was like some asset, and I learned some Unreal using it, but also I don't use anymore Unreal when I want to try to make like something like game like do some game programming. I use Godot because Unreal was too heavy for my PC, and like Unreal 5 one very very heavy because it's made for like a very realistic style of a game, and for that reason it isn't optimized for like I'm not a ultra realistic style game, and Godot is very hard to make a ultra realistic game, but it's very optimized, and for that reason I prefer Godot now, and I'm using it. Okay. Okay. I'm getting the character, I think so. Like, where is it? VGA. Yes, this should work. And what I can do, like, I can do like a for, a loop for all the column, but for doing it, I need to get like Godot like is like at the start when like for me when I started using it, I found it very hard. Not the UI, like the UI is pretty simple, but pretty hard. The like all the I don't know, baby, but like the for me the hard part of Godot that I found was all the node. Like Godot is made of node and Sheen, and for me it was pretty hard to understand how this worked. But after I understand it, and I start to understand way better object-oriented programming and GDScript, for me now it's pretty easy. Like I'm not doing nothing now, so because I don't have the time. Also, the problem with game developing is that you need to make asset, and okay, I like to make asset, but I'm not so good at drawing. Also, I have the problem when I start doing asset, I focus a lot of only on the asset. I spend like a week on drawing, making pixel art, and and for that reason, like I don't code anything, and I don't make like any progress on the game, and coding, programming C without programming UI. you don't need to like make the asset make you only need to code, and I prefer doing it also for that reason. Now I prefer backend to front end coding, because like you don't need to think about like how to do the GUI, where to put like the login page, the head bar, all of that thing. I don't like a lot designing. Like yes, sometime I like doing it, but I'm not good at it, and I prefer after stuff like uh, yeah, like I made a basic website local you in PHP, but I didn't like it. Like I prefer doing backend. Also, I learning to like I'm doing more backend than front end. For that reason, I can way better front end. I can way better backend than front end. Also, I don't know things like Electron. Like yesterday, I was like curious about how to do like an app like UI, and I found about like Electron React. I don't know anything about that. My JavaScript uh, knowledge is pretty low, uh, but I know a lot of C, and also I know a lot of Lua. Like I programmed a lot in that language because it's pretty used in game programming, like game that you can script in game for making like stuff like automate thing in a game. Usually it is used Lua, and for that reason I programmed a lot in Lua. Yeah, I'm not a web dev. Like I made a basic website using SQL, and you can like put some stuff like you can like create an account, but not like I don't think it's neither the right way I use it. Like I use it that you put like a name and a password. You press on like sign up, and you will be like taken to a login page. You will put like a name and a password, and the program in PHP will see if there is a corresponding name and password in the database. But I think it's pretty low. Like there isn't a security in doing that. Like I think if a person can know how to use like he's a good hacker, I don't know, like he can uh, uh, he can find out what are the password, out the username. For that reason, like maybe I only need to learn a bit more. Okay, now I want to scan all of the column, like for e int in no in I'm thinking about Python. I don't know why. Sorry, equals 0, a minus 25, a plus. Okay. Um, read VGA. I need to create a car, maybe like this. I don't know if the right way. Call it like scan. È pretty bad on the main thing. I don't know. Scan E scan this, okay. Equal read EGA read E and 0. Okay, and after I will print it, print. Yes, I will print a new line. After I print what I scanned. Okay, like this. Here printf, I'll print something. It is a row, and here we'll try to scan it. Let's see if I am able to do it, because it should like scan from 0 to 25 and print it in a new line, and after we'll also make that it will delete. Thank you for the follow. Ines, I was able to read your name. I Foss Unleashed. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your name right. Foss. Hi, how are you? I'm making an operating system, and now I'm trying to like get what I printed on the screen, like implementing scanf. Yes, I'm making an operating system in C and also assembly 64, like, because it is a operating system in 64-bit long mode, and now I'm trying to implement like scanf function, and I'm having some problem implementing it. I don't know why. You are undercover. I never know that Foss was called by you. I didn't read the chat. Okay. Yes. I don't know why, but I didn't see this printed. Why? Like, it should not be like changed. I want to see if this is printed or on the screen, because like when I run it, I don't see it, and I don't know if it's a problem. Is a problem about scanf, about printf? Okay. Okay, there is a bug on printf. Yesterday was working, and today you are not working. I will try to comment this part to see if the problem is here, because I added this and this is 18 problem. Let's see if now it's working. Yes, like I think maybe yes, I can have segmentation fault because there is the RAM simulated by Kim. Also, I have a hyperlock file that I made, a very basic one, like it's pretty like this is pretty useless because it free all the memory used, but the really use about free is when you can say what pointer you want to free, but this helped me because I was having like a segmentation fault problem, and using it using this malloc that I made, a very simple one, it made like the basic console that I did work, but now don't know why, but printf is not working, and it was the same as yesterday. Yes, or I think I have it. Like I was where I was calling it here in the old version of print in the first version of printf was there was like print char and print f, and there was like this that was doing problem, and some other stuff. I don't know, in some place I did use a malloc, and it fixed my problem. Yes, I think I have memory because I can tell Kumu how much memory use. It is also that problem, but the segmentation fault is when you have like a used memory, there is a space of the memory used about a program. No, yes. There is some space of the memory used, and you try to use that space, and that will blow everything, like will crash everything, because you are trying to use like there is like two pointer that are using that won't use like the same memory, and you need to allocate a different space between the 2 point, like you need to have a method to yes, I we tried it. Don't know what is zero base. I still need to learn a lot of stuff about like my program because some stuff I did it using like a tutorial, because like it's not the easiest thing to do operating system. For that reason, I am redoing a lot of the code in a better way. Like this printf, I was using it like this, but it was not the best thing, and I worked it. Yes, and for now, I'm trying to get something like working, and later I will also spend a lot of time to uh, to optimize it. Like I don't want to add the feature if more feature if I don't have optimized it. Like like some day ago, I was trying to add the feature that you can like write like a file, but it's not put on the disk, but on the RAM, and but I was having problem with a lot of stuff, and I say no, stop. I don't want to add a new feature if there is problem with the feature that I added. I need first uh, uh, um, to fix all of the feature. Like also scanf, I was using it some getline test this, but it is very bad, and I am making it a little better, and where is it? Print new line. No, getline test. It is here that I use the buffer that here I was using the malloc because there was a problem with it. For int column, okay, I was getting the line character of buffer out, then row number of column, and after I was putting, okay, don't know why, but so, don't know why, but printf is not printing. Like it's strange because like it was working until now, and now you don't work anymore. And what is your problem? If we format it, print, it should work, but it is not working. Like this should be fine, but if I build it, it don't work anymore. And okay, what error related to printf? Don't know where is the problem. Maybe it is with interrupt and some other stuff, and I need like this is the old main that I was doing. This is the new one. I need to fix it. Maybe yes, is because of some interrupt problem or like assembly problem, and right now I don't want to fix it. But I did like a keyboard work like run it like I implemented like a better keyboard driver than before, and I can enter like write mode like Vim style white E. I press C and I enter write mode. I can ask write mode pressing ask. I can re-enter write E and start printing stuff on the keyboard. There isn't like that key like enter. I need to add them. Maybe I will add it now. Also, I want to see if I can go to new line. If this is working. Like, why is this break? Maybe it is a problem. I didn't build it, I only ran it. Build it. Okay, now it should build the and run it. Okay. No. I don't know if it's printed to a new line because there is nothing here. Like that. I want to see why it's broken. Like maybe I think it's broken because of some interrupt problem, like in the assembly, and for fixing it, I will need to will be much difficult, and will do it off screen maybe this weekend on my laptop using this PC in streaming. I will fix it and try to debug if it's some problem. There is a lot of problem going on with like the backend assembly part, but okay. No, like I want to see if I am able to print some stuff on the VGA, like to see if there is a problem with printing in the printf function, or there is a problem in the VGA, like from interrupt, like VGA write char like a. Let's see. It didn't print nothing. Okay, why? Is printing stuff in the VGA is working, and for that reason I think the problem is not the white VGA write that function, but is the problem with printf. And we see like where is printf here. Okay, maybe using int. No, I don't think the problem is that. Let me see. Okay, we are printing only a character. This should be right. It was working. I don't know. Is the problem? I will search it like on GitHub. There is my version that I pushed some time ago. Maybe here there is a difference that I can see. I work it. Okay. No, there isn't any different. Switch to character, case, break. Okay. Should be working. Let's see. I will be paste. I will be paste this thing here. Not my model. Is it okay? And see if there is a different. Because if there isn't, if this is working, it's not a problem with the interrupt. It's a problem with the code of this function. Because this was working when I pushed it on GitHub. Okay, this is a problem with interrupt, and I don't know how to solve it, and that will be hard to solve it. Okay. First, okay. I know, like, maybe I think it's a problem with the Raptors or other stuff, like assembly part, and I need more time to see it and see where is the problem. Like, it was working and now it's not. I don't know why it isn't working, but I did the keyboard. I did this part is pretty good. I will continuing doing it. Then key ask be nothing. Um, I don't think so. Like, I don't know why. I changed a lot of stuff because the old part was there was a lot of bug, and I working on now fixing stuff, and I don't know where is the problem. Uh, like I'm thinking about what what can be the problem. Like in the VGA is I don't think that it should be a problem. I didn't change nothing in the print here. Also here there's I don't think it should be a difference. And I don't know. Mm, uh, don't think so. It's going to interrupt. The character should be right. No, it's not. There is any function called in assembly. Like it's called VShape, right? That is um, that is like writing on the RAM, the buffer, like that the restart, but it's not the assembly. Maybe the problem can be in this interrupt that I'm doing some stuff here. Let's see if changing stuff should work. I don't know because I'm making a lot of change interrupt in the how the interrupt work. Like I'm reworking all of the interrupt, and also I think it's like, no, it was not that problem. Where was he? Okay, here. Okay. I can doing a lot of stuff here and some other part, and maybe there is a bug that I added because also I'm also testing visit with programmer interval timer, and there was here this is called, but I don't think it should create a problem because I don't know. Is the old one. The new one is visit the map, install, okay. under uh, mm, I don't think there is a problem here. Maybe I need to see it when I am a little more like less started. Right now, continuing doing this stuff like assigning key for printing. Want to see if it is the right key, this slash. Because also it's strange because it is a problem only with printf, not VJ write, and I don't know. I need to see what is the problem like. Okay, it is the right slash period. Is I don't remember what is the period key. E comma is grave. Apostrophe semicolon is backslash is interrupt. Like how can I explain it? Like there is the CPU and I interrupt tell the CPU to like do something like I didn't understand also it properly. He started to explain it. Like it's telling the CPU to stop. Like when for explaining it, like when I press a key on the keyboard is sending us interrupt and for debugging it. I was printing stuff on the serial here also. Where is it? Keyboard handling here is like an interrupt made by the keyboard, and when I press a key, this interrupt is sended, and the GPU stopped doing what it was doing, and like respond to this, and after he continues doing what he was doing. Is okay. The other key, like this one key, like it will do like nothing. When like I will put like if like you pressed like this key, I will return the function and set a variable about that you pressed this key in some stuff. Okay. I want also to change the name key map. Like I think key map is better. So yeah, I will change it to key map. And I want also to create like when you press shift to make like the key be like caps lock like this. Right. Okay, like this. Be like okay. And also this key while shift while pressing shift. Okay. It's an error because this key is without pressing shift. Like only this. No. Like, for now, we'll see like this. Int up 0 if key is key left shift gap equal true and break, and I will return also. Okay, if right and not cap. Okay, like this. Else if right and caps a map like this. Okay, let's see if now it should work. Okay, this is working. Yes, but it is still printing key white like shifted. Also, if I release the key F shift, here we put else not a switch. Key. I put shift code caps equal false return. Okay, we also implement a caps lock. When you press caps lock, there is no. You only press the key. I will not doing it. I don't want it. Because when you press caps lock, you like kill. You only press like A will be like like bigger. I don't know the name in English, but like number will be the same. Okay, activate write mode. And I release it. I'm still in shift mode. Okay. Kill F like I should. Yes, it should work. Why are not working? Serial print. Reset. And here we put serial print shifted. I don't. No, I don't think like right now. I'm using like implementing only shift for the shift key for like writing like $sign, thing like that in like exclamation point, angular bracket, black, is called the right name, angle right bracket, also like this, and in the shift key, and what caps lock. For now, I will not implement that because like maybe there is also a better way to implement a thing like that, like not doing another map key, but doing I don't know some other keys thing. But for now, I will be using it. It's way better than the previous version of the keyboard driver. That was this version. This is pretty bad. I reworked it and doing. I'm doing it a little better. Okay, writing mode, press shift, write some key, release shift, and continues writing some key. Shifted and is never release it. Why? If is release else switch key keys left. Because I can now release the problem because I need to have the key released also. That is wait, this okay, now it should work. Key read like there is some error in my English. Okay, like this, and here I need to put key release it. Let's see if now should work right. I hope so. Enter writing mode, I press shift, I release it, and I continue writing key in like that, shifted. Okay, now there is another problem, and never release. I know why I didn't press it to shoot time. Don't know where is the problem. I is I activate caps lock like because it isn't released. Let's see, in the old version was working. Iskans code. Shift key. I will try to implement this part of the code only for seeing if this is working also now. And I will comment this part. Also here I will comment it. Like this, okay. Because I want to see if it is working. I can use key. Yeah, key. Left shift. And yeah, we'll use also here key right. Shift. Okay. Let's see if now I don't think it should work like, but maybe I can never open this part of my old code. Okay, pressing shift, but it will be forever like caps locking like. Need to implement a better method for like releasing key. Like, you want to see if I release key, like pressed, because I don't know if it's working like this part. Is release scan code that is. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not working. I don't know. Let's see into the backlog. Released. Okay, is working. And the key released. Like, if I put here another case, like case A, and I want to see if this released, like serial print released A. Like, I should get this when I release the key A. Let's see, compile it. Okay. Maybe also a problem while I am in flight mode that is not not releasing the key like in the right way. Like, yeah, if you press sometime A, I think no, I didn't do nothing. Why? As if different if I am like in right mode, but I don't think. Maybe it's a problem with key reset. Maybe only key should work. Let's see. The backlog, nothing. Key. Okay, let's compiling. Okay, press sometime A, not. Okay, like this, releasing it, and also when I release the key left shift, the print released. Like right now, if I press shift, I left it go, like I should get the message released and shifted. Let's see. Shifted, released A. Why? I didn't press A. There is a problem. Uh, want to see if I am like when I press like a random key, like if printing this message, because if yes, it is a problem. Also, I forgot to update like this format document. Okay. Uh, okay, so random key. Okay, only when I press A, if this is right. But see if now it's working. Like should work also on shift. Wait, on shift. You are not working. Shifted and maybe this is control alt that I pressed. No, no. Why you? You're printing. Uh, okay, there's some bug that I am not able to fix right now. Also, now I need to go, guys. I already implemented the keyboard callback. I started also implementing the scanf function. I don't know why printf is not working. Like yesterday was working fine. Now it's not working. I will see. Maybe it is a problem. I don't know what. Like VJ write is working, but only when I call printf is not working. I will try to debug it like later. And okay, bye guys. Have a good day and bye bye.